Early retirement is a situation in which a person retires from work at an early age than the standard retirement age. However, early retirement doesn't mean that one has to stop working and live off the savings money. That is one big misconception about early retirement. Here, the retirement means you have taken a conscious choice to retire from the corporate rat race and you can continue your passion in your own space. In this video, let us find out how to achieve FIRE, financial independence and retire early in detail. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Becoming financially independent takes the financial stress off your shoulders. It also means that after retirement, you don't have to compromise on your lifestyle or while also ticking all the things in your bucket list. This video covers the area where there is a probability of slight setback you may experience in your retirement plan and how to overcome this with the two-stage process of retirement plan. First, let us look what are the areas of setbacks you may encounter during the retirement plan. Inflation. Inflation is a sneaky enemy to early retirement financial plans. If your savings earn lesser than inflation, then your value of money or spending power goes down. As inflation reduces your spending power, it affects your standard of living. Old age health care. When you retire, your employer provided health insurance will also retire. Most of the people tend to forget it. Some people don't even consider securing themselves for their old age health care expenses. Next, expenses related to children. You don't want to settle for less when it comes to your children needs, be it a college fund or the wedding expenses. Never let these things to be your hurdle. Change in lifestyle. Though a far-fetched thought, you may have special lifetime goals, say visiting a foreign country once a year or becoming a regular charity donor. It would obviously cost an ample amount of money and you don't want to compromise. If you do compromise, you might regret the whole idea of retirement. Uncertainty. Change is inevitable and unpredictable. Some events, such as losing your loved one or a stock market crash, are unpredictable. These could have an intense impact on you, both emotionally and financially. I hope the things above helped you understand the setback you may face during the early retirement in India better. Now, let me help you make a plan for early retirement in Indian style of personal finance. Becoming an early retiree is a two-stage process, namely plan establishment stage and plan implementation stage. Going one brick at a time approach, we will see the plan establishment stage in detail first. The plan establishment stage will be the foundation for your early retirement in India. This foundation requires 4 pillars to support the next stage of plan implementation. They are choosing the retirement age, evaluation of expenses, retirement expense projection, and corpus calculation. We will be seeing the techniques to use to establish a prominent early retirement plan. First, choosing the retirement age. The early retirement age is one simple step, but it is vital part of early retirement plan. Make sure it is not 40ish or late 40s. Rather, it should be an exact number like 45 years or 48 years. It need to be a team decision of you and your spouse. It is the team that is going to save to spend a lifetime together in peace. Hence, it is vital to discuss with your spouse about this goal and leave no stones unturned before coming up with the unanimous decision. Your financial planner, if you have one, could help you in this regard. Also, be ready to face criticism. Some people might even make you question your own decision. Evaluate your expenses. If you are a person practicing the art of budgeting already, good. If you don't, then no worries. It is easy to catch up faster than you think. For an accurate evaluation of your expenses, try to know the precise monthly expense figures of the past 2 years. Get your bank account transaction statements, including your credit card statement for the past 2 years. It will give you all the ways you have been spending your money. Categorize your expense based on the nature of expense. Like the categories may be such as food and groceries, monthly bills, fuels, and so on. Once you categorize all the expenses with the available data from the bank and the credit card statements, it will be easy to find your monthly expense with more accuracy. This result is going to be the base for the next step, which is your retirement expense projection, which we are going to see next. Projecting the expense will give the amount of money you and your spouse will need every month after early retirement. It is a three-step process. The first is a current monthly expenses. This is a minimum amount of money that you will need in a month to manage your expense. Next is the expected post-retirement expense. It is the amount of money that you want to support your post-retirement lifestyle. That is the retirement life you expect to live. Next is the inflation. The value of money is not going to stay the same till you reach your early retirement age or even after that. Thus, inflation must be considered while projecting for the future. Projecting the post early retirement expense like this will help in the amount of money that you need to save now till your early retirement age. Next, the final is corpus calculation. The retirement corpus should be able to generate adequate returns on an annual basis, which we projected in the previous step. Use the early retirement calculator to track your income and expense and also to calculate the required amount retirement corpus. The link for the early retirement calculator is given in the description. Now what you see is a demo of early retirement plan. You can also try playing with the numbers in the early retirement calculator. With this, we have successfully completed the first stage of early retirement. We shall look into the next step, which is the implementation phase, in the upcoming video. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.